guys, John here over at Byrider Green Bay. Just jumping on, making another quick video for you. This one's all about just introducing you to what we do here at Byrider, and kind of some of the people that you're going to work with. So come on with him and I'll give you a quick tour of the shop. So when you arrive at our location here for Byrider, that's 2805 Ramada Way, Green Bay, Wisconsin, kind of the process of getting you in a vehicle is going to start with you coming in through this door. Now we have 3 salesmen here. We have Chris, Destiny, and myself. And we're going to do everything we can to help you get driving in a car and help you start working on your credit score. Also in our location, we do have a payment window. So if we get you qualified and get you driving, you can come here and make payments at any time. On top of that, we also have a service center here. Now, it's not a full service center like the one in Appleton, but we can do a lot of stuff here, and our service guy, Brian, does a really great job. So we can do quite a bit of stuff for you and get your vehicle looked at. 2 managers in stores most days that can help you answer all kinds of questions you might have about you and your vehicle purchase. So, if you're looking for something, come on in. Our number is 920-455-7788. Or just stop in and visit us at our location. It's 2805 Ramada Way, Green Bay, Wisconsin. Have a great day.